Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Most of us in life, we have big dreams. Maybe to finish school, then land a good job, build a house, and start our business. And these are all good dreams. But have you noticed, once we reach all these dreams, it just become a routine. And when it does, all those excitement fades. Why? Because our dreams, they are wonderful, but they were not meant to be our purpose in life. Yes, they give direction, but not our destination. You see, our purpose in life is not just achieving those dreams, but to live, to glorify our Lord God, Jesus Christ. How? By loving Him, serving Him, and using all those gifts that we receive so that we can bless others and give a lasting memories. I want you to imagine your son wanted to own a brand new car. At first, he must be thinking, if I only have that car, I would be the most happiest person in this earth. And suddenly he gets that car. At first, he was so thrilled. He does the washing personally by himself, making sure it doesn't get scratched, showing it to his friends, and maybe driving around proudly. But you see, after some times, that excitement will also fade. And that car becomes a routine part of his life, just to bring him from this place and to another. You see, in the same way, our dreams in life, when we reach them, it can feel so ordinary. But when we connect those dreams to the real purpose, to the God's mission in our life, they don't lose that value. For example, that car, now it can be used to bring your friends to churches, to help others, those who are in need, and maybe to create some lasting memories with your families. You see, dreams is not bad, but it has to live what is God's mission in us. So dear brothers and sisters, we don't just chase our dream, but live the God's purpose in our life. Because when we put God in the center, our routine can become so meaningful. And every blessings that we receive from Him, it can turn into an opportunity to glorify Him. It was a very good thought of the day, and I hope this inspires us all. And thank you for joining me. To God be the glory.